How to find stories you have muted on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find stories you have muted before on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, and now all you need to do is click on those three lines to get to this page, and click on the search icon. Click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Now scroll down, click on posts, and click on the option number 3, which is who can see your stories. And now click on stories you have muted, which is the last option. And here you're gonna find the stories you have muted. Only you can see when you're mute on and mute someone's story. Now you haven't mute, because I haven't muted any stories, nothing show in this list. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.